Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. Every time someone goes on the sidewalk, this aggressive magpie chases after them.
Yeah, that bird is not playing. You just scooting as fast as you can. Yo, what is wrong with this bird? That is crazy. Crap.
This child is only 10 years old and is already 6'2". At that kind of size, playing sports can be pretty easy.
6'2". The man look like a grown man. Oh, nope. Nope. No. He's so huge. When the road is empty.
This person likes to use colored rice to make some amazing works of art.
Winnie the Pooh. And Patrick. Oh, baby Yoda. SpongeBob. Panther.
This mom lost her child somewhere in a forest in Canada.
My son, who has special needs, who's 6 years old, is missing. He's been missing for about 45 minutes. We've been looking for him.
It was nighttime and it was hard to see anything, but the helicopter pilot used an infrared camera to spot the child.
Nice.
What I'm doing is firing a laser right now. Just wonder if somebody could use their goggles and see if you can see that laser.
We're bringing him out. He appears to be in good condition, but I want to get him checked.
Good job.
Thank you, helicopter.
Sick.
This guy was playing around when he lost his basketball on accident.
Damn.
This guy was trying to fix an ice machine that got jammed. Here's a little tiny wrinkly dog.
That dog looks so wrinkly. Little flesh all sagging all over. Is that normal? Is that dog okay?
That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
Little lizard. Cool. Nice lots of vids. See you guys next time.